chest. Nice strong heartbeat.
He wāhiranga mō ngā mātua.
We're having a girl and I think I'm 26 weeks pregnant.
Oh, for me it's exciting. Be my first kid, you know.
Engari, me whai kai whakawhānau tika hei tautoko i a rātou.
The first midwife I had, I couldn't make it out to her as much. I don't know, it just feels a lot more comfortable here.
No tēnei tau, i whakatūria ai te rātonga hau e ngā kai whakawhānau Māori ki Waitaha, ko Ōhua Midwives te ingoa. E ai ki tēnei uri no ngai tuahuriri a Kerianne Harmon-Becks, i te wā i hapua ia, he take nui tērā te whai kai whakawhānau Māori.
I just thought that I would just do it myself and then became a Māori midwife. The thought of Ōhua came to us during our second year of our degree. I think we all kind of started the degree and the thought of being a midwife, and we all wanted the same thing, which was to ultimately be a part of a Māori midwifery practice.
E ai ki te tatau o te wharekahu, e te kaupai hēneti anake o ngā kai whakawhānau i Aotearoa he Māori. Ko te whainga nui a Jay Waretini no te ara o hine, kia piki ake tēnei nama.
Te Arohine was a Ministry of Health-led initiative funded through Te Whatu Ora. The degree itself has been historically quite Western, with not as much room for mātauranga Māori as any of us would like. Fortunately, the degree has changed as it's developed, and there is lots of room for mātauranga Māori now.
I te rātau, e te kaumārua ngā wahine i puta i tēnei tohu i te whare wānanga o ara, hei kai whakawhānau.
For us here in Ōtautahi, we've had a handful of midwives who are practising out in the community, working with whānau Māori throughout their journey. It hasn't ever been enough, so we're doubling the numbers of Māori midwives accessible to whānau. The proof is absolutely in the pudding, you know, record numbers of Māori entering the degree, completing the degree and coming out to work with whānau in the community and in our hospitals.
It's very nice and strong.
Nā kua tīmata rātou ki te awhi ngā whānau i tēnei ara.
There's me, there's Kenzie Nāhona, Isla Rowbottom and Tony Weezer, and so there's 4 of us who are midwives that make up Ōhua. These girls are based in town mostly. I, however, still wanted to hold a space out in North Canterbury for our whānau out there, so I also have a clinic space out there.
A te marama e tū mai ana, ka kawea e Ōhua Midwives ngā whānau ki te rāranga whāriki, hei ako mō ngā tikanga whāngai tuku iho. Hora Kairangi Nicholas, Tahu News.
Ko te reo, te take.